Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox the Iron Man Mark 43 by ZD Toys. Okay, so let's get right to it, shall we? First, let's take a closer look at the box. Okay, so with the Iron Man, it's the usual metallic red gloss boxing. Now this time though, instead of the center flap, they came back to the side magnetic flap. So yeah, again, this is made by ZD Toys, a licensed company by Disney and Marvel, and as you can see, we have here our Disney logo. So no, it's not a bootleg, it's not a KO. Okay, so going further with the box art, we got the Avengers, Age of Ultron on the side here, and at the back some cool photos of the Mark 43, another Mark 43 photo in flight. Okay, so that's about it for the box. We're not really here to talk about the box, but what is inside the box. So let's take a closer look at the action figure and the accessories that come along with it. Okay, so moving along with the unboxing, it's the magnetic flap at the side. And first thing you're gonna see is the Iron Man Mark 43, and at the bottom will be his accessories. Okay, so let's put the box aside and let's take a closer look at the stuff that's inside the box. Alright? Okay, so moving along with the unboxing, let's take a closer look at the accessories first. Okay, let's start off with a base. We got Avengers, Age of Ultron, Mark 43 right there. Let me see. There you go. Pretty awesome print right there, and I really dig the black base each time they do this. Next one, we're gonna look at the clamp. Yeah, this is the flight pole or the clamp, and what I like about this is spring loaded. Yep, not like the other ones that are not spring loaded. Just hate those. Other part for the flight pole, we got extra pair of hands here. Okay, let's take a closer look. Open palm with, as you can see there, I don't know, but this kind of looks I don't know, I just don't feel good about this one. Let's take a close look at the other two. Yep. So the details are all there. You got your, this is where you peg the pulse blasts from the repulsor. If you want to peg those, like, got the holes there. And again, the paint job is just amazing with how they did it again. And another set of hands. Yep, there you go. These two are supposed to be together, and like that. We got 4 pieces of the blast effect, same quality as before, like light yellow going dark orange at the start of where you peg the blast effect, just like this. It's supposed to do it like that. Okay, so yeah, if it's the non-LED version, it would always have 4 blast effects. If it's the LED version, they would usually just give you 2 of those. Okay, so I think that's enough for the accessories. Let's move along to the highlight of this unboxing, which is the Mark 43. Okay, now we got Mark 43 on the turntable and under the light. I mean, look at this bad boy. Look at that paint job and that arc reactor, and the eyes lit up is something else. It's like it's not an empty suit. So okay, I think that's enough ogling at Mark 43 under the light. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this bad boy. Paint job, articulation, and everything. Okay, now we have Mark 43 out of the light box. Let's take a closer look at this bad boy. Paint job wise, yeah, it's kind of like the twin of Mark 42, only this guy has more red on him than the gold of Mark 42. So that's like the stark difference between the two. But as far as paint job is concerned, another excellent job done by ZD Toys on this guy. I mean, I'm trying to look. Let's see if I can find any smears or runs on this guy, but yeah, I'm just not seeing anything so far. Like even the back, like the way ZD Toys has been consistent with their paint job is just impressive. I mean, look at that hot cherry red on Mark 43 here. I mean, he's freaking handsome. Yeah, except that was not even a scratch. It was just like dust or something. But yeah, another excellent job. And by the way, I have a surprise for you guys on this one. I did mention it a few minutes ago that this was a non-LED version, but I did have this customized. The seller where I'm buying this, they offer customization for the non-LEDs, which I'm going to show you shortly. Okay, so let's move along. After the paint job, let's go to articulation. Alright, so let's see how this guy fares with his other counterparts. Head, yep, we got 360 movement on the head. Let's go to the shoulder, 360 movement. Let's see. Okay, we got good neck movement there. Yeah, look at that. And yep, you can look up a bit and like going down. See, I mean, that's not bad. Going to the shoulder, I think you need to like lift this flap first. But yeah, you can do, you should, yep, there you go, pull that out. It's got the butterfly shoulder, so you can definitely do 360 on the arm. And for this one, you just need to, yep, tuck that in, and you can do a good lateral arm raise, and it should be the same with the other side. Just pull that out. 360 motion there too. And if you want to do the lateral raise, just tuck this shoulder pad in there, and you should be able to do a lateral arm extension like so. Left shoulder is kind of giving me a hard time, but I should be able to pull it off. There you go. Alright, let's focus. Yep, there. You got bicep rotation, same with the other arm. You got double bend on the elbow, same with the other side. And we got a ball joint on the fists. And then a torso, there you go, that's the magic I'm talking about. I got this bad boy customized. And if I do this, see, the chest and the eyes, the arc reactor and the eyes light up. But if I do that, see, it's like the hidden switch. I'm gonna put the description, the link in the description below if you guys want to have yours, if you want to find out where I bought this bad boy, and if you want to get yours customized too, you can have that just for an additional cost. Okay, so moving on, yeah, that's his movement for the torso, and you can still pull this down a bit, I think, there. So that shuts the power off as well, but if I put it back, it turns it on, off, on. Okay, and yep, just bend it a bit and you shut the power off. But yeah, there, that's the highlight of this unboxing. Okay, so moving on, let's go with the legs. Just pull it down for extra movement. Let's see, if you don't pull it down, you can go as far as that. But if you pull it down, you can go a bit further. A bit further. There you go. And extra posability as well. And you also have a double bend on the knees, like so. See, it's more than 90 degrees there. And on the other side too, yep. And you also have a ball joint on the feet. Okay, so yeah, that about wraps it up for the articulation of the Iron Man Mark 43. And this armor, he used this in the movie Age of Ultron. This is the one, like the first suit that is able to assemble itself. Like the moment Tony activates his device, wherever he is around the world, the pieces of the armor would go to him and assemble accordingly. So yeah, I mean, I love the Mark 43, but I love it even more when I got it customized. See, like the light on that arc reactor and the eyes just brings life to this bad boy. So yeah, I think that about wraps it up for unboxing video of the Mark 43. Again, kudos to ZD Toys for executing another quality product. If I'm gonna rate this bad boy, 5 out of 5 for the paint job, 5 out of 5 for the articulation. And yeah, do you want this? Do you want to get this for your collection? Does it deserve a place on your collection stand? Yeah, in my point of view, yes, it does. And this is now by far my 14th or 15th action figure that I bought from ZD Toys, and I'm still expecting like the War Machine Mark I, which I also had customized, by the way, so watch out for that video. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, stay safe and peace.